But
I'll work.
it's not easy. You know, people think it's the goal setting is something that can be done in 5 minutes, and it's so not. It it really takes a lot of calculations and a lot of knowing exactly what you want.
Hmm.
And if you don't know exactly what you want, then how are you going to shoot for it? You think you know the outcome, but do you really have it specific and detailed number wise that you can reach it? If not, you're not going to be able to reach it. So it is a hard exercise. You know, people think it's the easiest one. I think the goal setting is the hardest one out of this whole thing. Um,
Well,
and
we're going
then
to agree
we
with
have
you.
to make sure we put it in quadrants. Like,
Right.
you know, you have this quarter, you have this quarter, and you have this quarter. And that way we make sure that you start working accordingly.